Merrily with Making Meals Matter. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm going to create some fresh tofu spring rolls using one of my favorite spice blends, Love a Foodie Sesame Lovers Spice Blend. So I'm going to be using this on my tofu and in the roll to give it an extra pop of flavor. I just love these low salt to no salt spice blends. They're delicious. There's so many different kinds and they're so versatile. So let's start with this. I am warming up a pan over medium heat. I'm going to cook the tofu in there. Tofu, I'm just learning how to use. So this is what I'm starting with, a tofu by House Foods. It's firm. So on a rating of 1 to 6, it gave it a 4, about a quarter of an inch thick. And I'll lay those out here just to get some of the liquid off before I put them in the pan. The other ingredients I have today to make this are some pineapple. I shaved carrot, thinking that that would be really easy to roll up, some diced red onion, and some lettuce greens. If you had cilantro, oh my gosh, it would be delicious. Definitely add that. I'm gonna mince up these pieces of pineapple so they lay a bit flatter when I roll them up. My sauce, I decided I'm gonna use this Beijing sweet tangy sauce. It's by Panda Express. It's basically a sweet chili sauce for these. We've got the pan. We're gonna put a little sesame oil in there, just so it doesn't stick to the pan. Just want a little bit. It's gonna be a little messy. And I'm also gonna add some of the Sesame Lovers blend, just these funny little sheets. And just pop them in warm water, not hot water, just warm water. I'm just using a regular little pie tin. Super easy. You can't even see it when it's in there. It's kind of weird. I bought these cute little wrappers, knowing that I love fresh spring rolls and not having any idea how to do it myself. So there's a pattern on there that ends up coming off. So I'm gonna put this over here on my plate. I made some rice, and I'm gonna tell you something really fun I just did to create this rice. To 1 cup of rice that you rinse, you do 2 cups of water, right? Well, what if you did 1 cup of water that was steeped and made into tea with 3 tea bags lemon flavor? Yes, lemon flavor tea. So I did lemon flavor tea, so it was really dense, 3 tea bags to 1 cup of water, plus another cup of water. I added garlic and a little salt, lemon garlic rice. And so that's what I'm gonna use as the base layer on my fresh spring roll. Now, in spring rolls, they oftentimes use these really beautiful glass noodles. They are gluten-free. What I had on hand was rice, so that's what I did. It's just the glass noodle, hard to see, right? And the rice down the middle. Ah, look at those, yummy. Although I flipped them, that was after about 2 minutes, right? I think I ultimately would want to do 3 to 4 minutes per side on these pieces of tofu that I cut about a quarter of an inch thick when I did it. Okay, so now we have our rice. I think it's about the thickness that I want, maybe a little more. You want to make sure it closes though. Then I have these cute carrot ribbons. Just string some along there. You want it for some boost of flavor. I would add cilantro, would be great with these. Kind of doing an Asian Hawaiian flair to this. So here we go. I added some pineapple. I'll add some green. Again, if I had cilantro, I'd go with that. Right now, I just have some fresh lettuce. I have some red onion. Then I'm going to add a little more of my spice blend into the roll. We've got these guys. Here we go. I'll lay that back on there. So that's what it looks like before I wrap it. Then I'll roll up the sides. The wrappers are quite durable, so all you have to do is roll up the sides like you would a burrito. Flip the top over. See, it's gelatinous. Just get it tight, and just like a sushi roll, if you've ever done, or a burrito, you just roll it over, just like that. Easy, right? Just takes a quick minute. I'll slice down the center so you can see. Whoop. I'll pull a carrot out of there. But that's what it ultimately looks like. The sweet chili sauce with these guys is the bomb. I cannot wait for you to try this. You saw how easy it was. Just some carrot shavings. I'd use cilantro, red onion. If you don't have cilantro, I just use some romaine lettuce I diced up. Some fresh pineapple along with Sesame Lovers Spice Blend from Love a Foodie. Cheers to making meals matter. I'm hoping I'm inspiring you to make meals matter in your home too. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for another session of What's for Lunch in the Making Meals Matter kitchen.